Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be talking about metal cutting and color engraving with the WeCreat Lumos here. So first up, the ability to do this is going to be way easier for you than what it was for me because this is in beta mode right now. When it comes out, you're going to have the ability to do a lot more changes and a lot more features than what I can do. With that said, I was able to do color engraving really well. I just had to find out the right frequencies and settings to set it at. Once I had a good starting point, I came up with this color chart right here. I did a really short one because the beta mode is locking the line density to 5,000. I don't know if that's needed in order to do the color mode or not, but that's where we're at. So that's why I only ran this shorter one. After you do the shorter test in the software by clicking the settings, and then clicking test array for color test array, and then doing that first one that I showed you, you'll get a bigger option, or you can do another small option afterwards. And here's one that they finished, and it's going to take a lot longer for me to do that. So I'm just not going to do that right now until we're out of beta mode. But I just want to let you guys know that it is more than capable of doing that. As far as cutting goes, I don't even know a good starting point for that. So I was just taking guesses in the dark. And it's going to be more than capable of cutting metal here for sure once you know the right frequency and setting. Mine was cutting so hot that it was just welding back together. So I need to get those frequencies and settings dialed in. But once it's dialed in, you will be able to cut metal. This is something that they did here. Other than that, if you guys have any questions for me, let me know down in the comments below. I'm still learning this powerful 100-watt fiber laser as well. And if you're not a member of the WeCreat Lumos Ultra settings group, go ahead and join. Share your settings with me so I can learn from you as well. If you find the right frequencies and settings for your types of materials, that's what that group is going to be for. And we'll see how easy it is once it's outside of beta mode, when we have all of the preset settings available to us. And we can maybe remake this video for you guys. But in this video, I just wanted to let you know that it is going to be more than capable of doing it. And these are the options that they've done so far.